Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video, motor vlog, whatever you want to call it, properly introduce myself to y'all. I am the real T-Dog. Welcome to my channel. Oh, beautiful day to ride. I'm new to this, so I apologize if I'm a little rough around the edges when it comes to doing this. I've actually been on YouTube since like 2010 or 11, I think. It was mostly just to like subscribe to channels and watch videos. Well, I put up my first video ever last year, an exhaust video of my 4Runner. Side note, I'm actually surprised how many views that has right now. Currently sitting at like 30 something K views. I guess a lot of people wanted to hear what a V6 4Runner sounded like with exhaust or whatever. But anyways, my first motovlog was several weeks ago. I've always wanted to do motovlogging because I followed, you know, quite a few motovloggers over the years, but I never had a bike. I've actually been interested in bikes for like 7 or 8 years now. Thing is, I never actually did anything with that interest until last year when I decided, you know, I'm 30 years old. I need to start doing things that I've always wanted to do in my life. Riding was probably the biggest thing. So here I am, my first bike, new to riding. I got my license at the end of summer of 2017. Got my first bike a couple weeks later, which is this bike, or 2016 Kawasaki Vulcan S. So after all that was said and done, got my motovlogging set up, a basic setup. I only got one camera, GoPro Hero 4 Silver, microphone setup, and I've also never done video editing before in my life, so I got a video editor. I've been kind of learning it since then. I like to believe that I'm getting like, you know, better as time goes by, but there's still a lot of stuff on that I don't understand or know how to do yet. A little rough around the edges on my videos and all that right now, and I'm not really used to talking on camera and stuff like that. I promise I'll get better over time. But thank you for all who has subscribed so far at this point of this video. Like, I got like 41 subscribers right now. Well, a little bit about myself. Well, you already know I'm new to riding, but I'm also I live down here in Texas, Houston to be exact. I'm also into off-roading and trucks, specifically Toyota trucks, which is funny because all these big YouTubers, they seem to like Jeeps. I'm not a Jeep guy, but I could appreciate a nice built Jeep, but I'm into Toyota trucks. I'm kind of a Toyota fanboy, to be honest. Yeah, I'm also a car guy. I like cars. I've been a car guy longer than I've been a bike guy or a truck guy, matter of fact. Okay, let's watch where we're going. I never really owned any cool cars or anything, but pretty much every car and truck I've owned, like I end up modding it and being a part of the community and stuff like that. I'm also into video games. I'm a big gun guy too. I love firearms. This channel is gonna be mostly motovlogging, but I'm not opposed to the idea of putting, you know, videos out there here and there about other stuff that I like, aka like what I mentioned, firearms, trucks, cars, or whatever. It really depends on what content I come across, I guess. Really nice day for riding right now. Nice, you know, decent breeze. I think the temperature's like in the upper 60s or something like that right now. It's the Saturday after one of Houston's big freezes. So for like a week I wasn't able to ride. I mean, I could have, but I'd rather not. I absolutely hate cold weather. I could deal with it. Matter of fact, ever since I started riding, I've been more tolerant about it. But there comes to a point where I'm just like, nah, man, to hell with that. Again, I apologize for the whistling you're probably hearing in this helmet. I've said it in a past video, but I really need to get a better helmet. I just need the money for it. Hopefully I could get a new one in the next couple weeks or so. I'm also an animal lover. I'm not a vegetarian or vegan, but I'm an animal lover. Like, I love pets, I love dogs. I have 2 dogs of my own, actually, a Siberian Husky and a Labrador, Great Dane mix, a Labradane. Those 2 are my babies. I might throw them in the video here and there. Who knows? I am a Marine Corps vet. Been to Iraq and all that. Served from 2006 to 2010, and it's one of those big periods in my life, I guess you could say. Part of me kind of misses it, part of me doesn't, or actually a big part of me doesn't. But my job was motor transport. You know, I was a vehicle operator, but I was stationed with 3rd Battalion 5th Marines, which is an infantry unit, the best damn infantry unit in the Corps as far as I'm concerned. By the way, I may or may not upload videos where there's like stupid happening in terms of drivers here, because I live in Houston, and I know a lot of people say this, but we legitimately have some of the worst drivers. I know a lot of people are interested in riding but don't, simply because of Houston drivers, which I could definitely understand. Oh, that's a nice Tacoma. Nice. I want to say we're even nationally recognized as some of the worst drivers in America right now. It's not something I'm proud of, by all means, by any. Damn it, new moves all day. In terms of plans for this channel, as of right now, I just upload whenever I can, whenever I get content and all that stuff, which chances are is going to be content I get from the weekends and then upload them during the week. I work full-time during the week, Monday through Friday, from like 6 in the morning to 2:30, sometimes even later depending on what's up at work. But I also oh, another big thing in my life, I also go to the gym. I'm big into lifting. I love lifting weights, powerlifting, weightlifting, you name it. I love it all. So it's a big part of my life, and I go every day after work. So content usually scarce during the week. It's mostly the weekend stuff. Sometimes I have buddies I ride with, sometimes I don't. CO2, Range Rover's license plate CO2 in hearts. Is that supposed to mean something? I mean, I don't know, whatever. Let's move around this guy. In the next video you'll probably see uploaded will be a introduction video to my bike. There's plenty of reviews out there about this bike, so it's not going to be a review, just an introduction to my bike. Just talking about it, plans for it, stuff like that. Nothing too big. So yeah, that's a quick rundown of, you know, who I am, what this channel is going to be about, plans, stuff like that. If you're wanting to see more later on in the future, if you're interested, you know, all that, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff if you want to. And thanks for watching.